I'm going to show you how to create different balloon styles that edit the number of quantity in each view. Instead of having an overall total of a split balloon in one view on one sheet, we want to split those quantities into each view on each sheet to show how many, let's say, screws of the total of 16. There might be 4 used on one sheet, 4 used on another sheet until they total 16. And it's a lot more intuitive that way. So I've already gone into Manage Styles Editor, and I'm going to select Balloon, and I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to change the format to Split, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to make a new style, and I'm just going to let it be Copy a Balloon. Now in Copy a Balloon, I'm going to change the properties because there's item on top, item number, and quantity on the bottom. I'm going to select the item number and remove it so that there's only one thing to change. Normally the override of a split balloon wants to change the item number, and I want to change the quantity. So I'm going to say Done here and Save Edits. Now I'm going to go to Annotate, and I'm going to place a balloon on, let's say, one of these cams and continue. And I'm going to put another one on this cam and continue. And let's say that I have just these two. Let's delete this view out. And I'm going to put this balloon on this one, which is turned 90 degrees in the same view. So in this, I want to say that this is item number 1, but I want to say that there's a quantity of 1 here and a quantity of 1 here. So now I'm going to select the balloon, select the two balloons, and I can say I want them to be that Copy a Balloon style. And notice that it just pops up the quantity right on top. Now when I select this and I right click and I edit the balloon, I can change that quantity override to 1. I'm going to select this one and right click and edit this balloon and change this one to 1 as well. Now notice that this is just quantity, and that's the only thing that this split balloon has. So once I've done that, as archaic as this may seem, I'm going to gather these two and change these back to balloon ANSI, and now I have both of them, item 1, quantity of 1 on each sheet. And you can continue to do this through your sheets, and notice that all the total of all the balloons quantities, it's item number 1, 1 plus 1 equal 2, so your quantity should equal 2 in your quantity on your parts list, and you should have a quantity total, which I'm going to verify, of 2 throughout your drawing.